Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pikachu with an apple. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with these two cute eyes. I draw his little nose and his mouth. Now I draw the shape of his face. The circles for his cheeks. And his two ears. Now I draw his body. I start with his two hands. Then I draw his feet. I draw his tail. And finally, I draw his lovely apple. Don't forget to draw these two little hearts. So cute! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with this black marker for his eyes and his ears. Now I use brown. Red for his cheeks, the hearts, and his apple. I use brown again. Green for the leaf. And finally, I use yellow for all the other parts of his body. Amazing!
Wow!
Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!